Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a new arrival for us. This is a 2023 Scout 175 Sportfish. White gel coat here on the exterior, bow cushion up front, cooler cushion with backrest, windshield and stainless steel grab rail, bimini top, reversible pilot seat with cooler beneath, so the backrest can face fore or aft. On the dash, we've got our digital gauges from Yamaha, a lockable glove box, trim tabs with indicators, Fusion Bluetooth stereo, rear quarter seats, a live well beneath the port side seat, 90 horsepower 4-stroke from Yamaha, swim platform on the port side with a reboarding ladder. Got storage inside the console and easy access to batteries. If you have any questions about this boat or any of our others, give us a call at 843-747-1889 and always check us out online at MarineMax.com. Again, this is Carl Anderson and thanks for watching.